what's going on, guys? Thanks for stopping by Hardcore Waterfowl. I'm going to be reacting to Josh from Outdoor Limit. I've been watching him for a while now, for over a year, and I enjoy some of his hunting videos, so I'm going to be reacting to his hunting videos.
Guys, today is going to be a fun one. Out here with Adam again. What's up, Adam?
What's up, Josh?
We are hunting flooded corn. It's going to be a fun one. We were walking in here and ducks were just...
The flooded corn is actually really good place to hunt. So hopefully he does a really good job.
piling out of this thing. So I don't know what it's going to be like. I haven't kicked birds up in a marsh like this in a very long time, but hopes are very high. We scouted this.
He was saying that when he was walking in, he was flushing birds out. The feeling you get when you do that is breathtaking. Just hearing the wings taking off. It's awesome. I have that done to me a lot when I go out.
And I marked a pin on onX where I wanted to go, and so follow the pin to the spot. And if you guys aren't using onX, make sure to get the app and use it. It helps out a lot, especially finding spots in the dark or trying to measure distances for walks and kayak paddles. It's fantastic. We'll walk through here real quick. We've got roughly about 3 dozen decoys, and so we've got a few different puddlers. We got one widgeon, and then we got one pintail, 2 gadwalls, some teal, and then my personal favorite, the flocked head live mallards. They are going to do the trick today. All the decoys look really good. We got the motion ducks out. We're going to be using 3 pulsators.
The flocked heads for decoys is probably the most kind of realistic way to have on a decoy. Personally, I don't have any myself, but my dad does, so when I hunt with him, it's always fun shooting over them.
I think it's going to be a really good one. Oh, yeah, and we're hiding in the Invisimans. Check this out. So we got the Invisimans tucked away in the corn stubble. They're crushed up pretty good.
I've actually heard the Invisimans are really good blinds to hunt in. I've never hunted them myself, but I've heard that they're really good. I might have to try to invest in one next year.
So today we're basically just going to be a giant bush. So we'll see how it goes, but I think the hide's going to be good enough to get these ducks to come in. So what do you think?
Yeah, boy.
What is the verdict?
Yeah, boy.
Are you eating a banana? Why are you eating a banana?
Too fat to eat normal snacks.
A lot of times when I take a morning snack out like that, it's usually a honey bun or Pop-Tarts. Never done bananas. But it's funny what he says, why he's eating a banana.
So bright.
Alright, we're going to get settled in here and start hunting. What is that?
Can't do sit-ups anymore. It's rough. And we know what else I brought?
What?
Check this out.
What is that?
Back strips.
Huh?
Back strips.
Back straps?
Strips. Back strips. They're like a week and a half old. They're good though.
No. Well, guys, we made a move. We've been watching birds dump into this little hole all morning, So that's where we moved to. How was it?
That happens a lot. You get set up in a good spot, but the birds don't want to come in to that spot. And you got to move and adjust to spots kind of close to where they're landing to get better opportunities. I've had done that a few times myself, and it pays out a lot.
Muddy.
So, I mean, it's still pretty early on in the morning. We got a time check. 7:53. So, we've got plenty of time. So, hopefully this was the ticket to get some birds to work. They just were not wanting the side of the marsh that we were on. So, we picked up and made a move. Hopefully it was worth it.
Peek up all over them. Ooh, they're dancing good.
What didn't they like there?
I don't know. They're cupped again. Turning.
Pick up.
Pre-cupped. Cupped. Locked up. Dropping. Come into decoys. Jerks.
The other one's ahead.
Yeah, I'll shoot this one. Shoot! God!
That really sucks for Josh. He took 3 shots, missed, and Adam shot once and took him down. But I also want to put in, I love when the birds come flying in and your adrenaline starts pumping, and the excitement of pulling that trigger for the first time in the morning is breathtaking.
Dang!
You missed twice too,
I missed 3 times! I was trying to shoot him before you did. Did you see how fast I cycled through those shells?
No, I thought, well, yeah, because I thought you shot twice.
Oh my gosh.
You were trying to beat me to it.
Yeah, that was horrible. I was like, no,
I was waiting. I thought you shot twice. I was waiting for your third shot to shoot.
no.
And then you didn't
No.
shoot. So I rushed and shot.
Oh my Lanta. That is the fastest I've ever shot 3 shells.
I thought you shot twice. That's how fast you shot.
How did I?
He's saying that that's the fastest he shot 3 shells, and he was using an automatic. I use a pump action, and I can take off that much shots that fast. Sometimes. Depending on the mood.
I miss. That was bad. Thanks for picking that one up, Adam.
They're definitely really covered up and blending in with the corn.
Well, the drakes do it right today.
Yeah, they did.
Pre-cup.
Yep.
What a
That
beauty.
was embarrassing. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, Josh has definitely got to pick up his game if he wants to start getting some birds.
I've never shot 3 shells that fast in my life. I can't wait to watch the video of that one. That was horrible. That was so bad. But we got a duck. Good job, Adam.
I couldn't see what you were doing. The sun's right in my eyes.
Well, maybe the next one I'll actually hit it.
I gave you the shot on that one.
I didn't know at the time. Anybody else ever do that? Just rush your shot trying to get it before
Trying to beat the other guy.
try to beat the other guy.
I've done that multiple times, especially when I'm hunting with my dad. I'm just trying to get that shot to try to knock the bird down. Never works out really well. sometimes you got to take your time to get the shot off.
That's exactly what happened, and that's how you miss a lot of shots. Oh my gosh. How close do you think he was?
15 yards?
15? 12? We're
More
on the
than
board.
10, under 20?
Under 20, for sure.
More than 10, though.
We are on the board.
We?
Adam is on the board. My two hens for the day.
He finally got 2 birds, but those birds came in really nice and cupped. But the ones that I love seeing when they come in are the ones that do the flip flop, like pretty much do like a 360 flip. I'm surprised that he doesn't have his dog with him retrieving the birds. Hey, definitely good exercise for you to retrieve your own birds.
That's a little better. 2 Susies right there. It's been pretty slow. Ducks are hard to work. We had a group come in and finish down there. We've had a lot fly around and bug out. I don't know if it's our hide, which our hide isn't fantastic really, but made a few adjustments. I don't know what it is about these ducks right now, but they're just hard to decoy. They don't like calling, and I'm kind of scared of decoys.
Yeah, that tends to happen sometimes when birds don't want to come in. They get sketchy, or they get, they get so used to getting shot at, they don't trust going into certain areas. And that's what happens when you hunt in public land too. It's like you get dozens of people just shooting all the time.
But hey, we're on the board. I got 2. Adam's got 1 green one, and I guess I get 3 green ones to finish out this limit. But I don't think the flying's done yet, so we're gonna keep at it here. Right here on the right, teal coming in. Ready? Shoot him. Did you get one?
No. Did you?
No.
We suck. I missed all 3 shots. You know who else sucks?
What?
You. You missed all 3 shots. I can't believe we did that. Can you?
Definitely sorry about that notification on there. I didn't even notice that popped up until now. Hopefully, I'll try not to have that happen again.
No. Did you?
No. I think we're shooting blanks. What do you think, Adam? Not even one. Oh my gosh.
That reminds me, when he's saying shooting blanks, back when I was younger, I used to pretty much shoot a whole box until I finally get 1 shot. But that is the key of practice. Go out to skeet ranges and practice shooting clay pigeons to get better.
Very bad, very bad.
Oh. And this is gonna go on the internet. This is bad. Today is not going well for our shooting. My
Whatever.
My
for
shooting.
years. I've only missed 3 times.
Dude, those were cupcake shots too.
4. I've missed 4 shots. Yeah, they were. It was bad.
That was bad.
Yeah,
That was bad. I'm sorry.
Oh, hey. Hey, Squirt. What are you thinking? Yeah. You got the hops, don't you?
And that's where his dog was, just at home. But that is the end of that hunt for Josh. I really enjoyed it. Kind of just putting my own little input into it as well. And thank you guys for stopping by and watching this with me. I'm going to definitely be doing more of these videos. Not just with Josh from Outdoor Limit. I might try to look into Mid Valley as well. I watch him as... And then there is a guy named Flair. He's here in the Midwest in the same area as I am. And he has some pretty interesting videos and all that. I'm going to try to do some reactions on it. And then in a couple weeks is hunting season. And I'm going to start trying to get those hunting videos out there as well. Just like Josh did right here. But don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications to let you know when my videos will be coming out, or some shorts as well. So you guys have a great rest of the day and enjoy.